Good morning dear students. In today's video I am going to explain you test tube baby, asexual reproduction and finally cloning. So firstly you should know what is test tube baby. In some women what happens, the oviducts are blocked, or we can say the fallopian tubes of some women are blocked. So in such cases the sperm is not able to reach up to the egg. So what the doctor do, they generally collect freshly released egg and sperms and keep them together for a few hours for IVF. IVF means in vitro fertilization. In case fertilization occurs, the zygote develops, and then after development of 1 week this zygote is again inserted into the woman uterus. So such type of babies which are produced by this process are called test tube babies. Test tube babies doesn't mean that the babies are produced in the test tube. It means the fertilization process occur outside the woman body. That's why in vitro fertilization, or we can say IVF, is a process by which egg cells are fertilized by sperms outside the womb, and that's why this is called IVF or in vitro fertilization. Now the process of asexual reproduction, as I described you, there are two types of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, this is a method of reproduction which do not involve any fusion of male and female gametes. There is only the involvement of one parent, and the offsprings, or we can say children, which are produced by asexual reproduction, they are the exact copies of their parent, because in this only one parent is involved. In your book there are given two types of asexual reproduction. First one is binary fission, second one is budding. In binary fission, as the name is indicating, binary means two and fission means division. So division of one individual or one organism into two is called binary fission, and the organism which reproduce by this method, in those organisms we say this is the binary fission. Here is given the example of amoeba. As you can see, amoeba is irregular in shape. Firstly there is a division in the cytoplasm, and then one nucleus divided into two nucleus, and finally two amoebae, or we can say two daughter amoeba, are produced from a single amoeba parent. So this type of reproduction in which one organism divides into two is called binary fission, and each half, or we can say each organism, receives a nucleus of the as similar to the parent cell. So the organisms which reproduce by binary fission, they are exact copy of their parents. Now second method of asexual reproduction is budding. Budding means any outgrowth from the body. As you can see in the diagram, this is the diagram of hydra. Hydra is shown in green color. As you can see, there is written a bud, means an outgrowth is produced on the body, and when this outgrowth increases in size, finally when it grows up to its maximum size, it separates, or we can say it is detached from the parent body, and it makes a new hydra. So such type of reproduction in which new individuals are produced from the buds which are grown from the body of the parent is called budding. Budding is also found in case of yeast, and after separating these buds from the parent cell, they become an independent organism. So such type of asexual reproduction is called budding, in which new organism is produced from the outgrowth of the parent body, which are called buds. Now oviparous animals and viviparous animals. There are two terms given in your books, oviparous and viviparous. Animals which lay eggs are called oviparous animals. All the birds, frogs, lizards, crocodiles, all these belong to this group, means those organisms which are egg laying. In the same way, animals which give birth to young ones are called viviparous animals. We human beings are viviparous because we give rise to the young ones. Animals like lions, tigers, dogs and humans belong to this viviparous animals. So according to the method of production of young ones, we can classify the organism into oviparous and viviparous animals. Now next topic is Dolly the clone. Firstly you should know what is a clone. Clone is the production of an exact copy of a cell, any body part or a complete organism is called Cloning. This it means clone is an exact copy of the parent organism. So here it is written Dolly was the first cloned mammal and is genetically identical to its parent sheep. Cloning is creating an exact copy of a biological entity. A clone is created by inserting the complete genetic material of a regular body cell from a donor into a recipient sheep into a recipient. The first cloned animal was a sheep whose name was given Dolly, and it was reproduced, or it was produced by Sir Ian Wilmot from Roslin Institute in Edinburgh, Scotland. So the first cloned mammal was a sheep which whose name was Dolly. And in India, the National Dairy Research Institute scientists also developed, which is present in Karnal in Haryana, produced the first cloned buffalo back in February 6, 2008 using DNA from the ear of an adult female. But unfortunately, it died of pneumonia and soon after its birth. So such type of clone is also produced in India in NDRI. Now this is the flow chart which is representing how the clone sheep Dolly was produced. In this method, what was done? They were taken two types of sheep. One was Finn Dorset sheep and second was Scottish black face Eve. So what the scientists did? They removed the mammary gland cells from the Finn Dorset sheep and egg of Scottish black face Eve. After taking egg from Scottish black face Eve, scientists remove the nucleus of this egg, and then the nucleus from the mammary gland cell was inserted into this egg, and then this egg containing the nucleus of Finn Dorset sheep was implanted in the uterus part of the Scottish black face Eve. After birth, the scientists found that the individual which was produced that were identical to the Finn Dorset sheep. So this experiment shows that the nucleus is the main part which decide the characteristic of any organism. So if we want to make the clone of any organism, we have to take its DNA, and according to DNA we can develop a new individual which is identical to the that organism. So this method of producing young ones which are exact copy of their parents is called cloning. Thank you.